Okay, this is like a very unflattering angle, but I've got my camera that I'm trying to unbox at the moment. My husband's gone for a haircut, so guys, out of the box we've got the warranty and the manual. We've got the little lanyard or the strap. We've got a power cord, and we've got the external battery charger, and we've got the battery here, and we've got the lens, and then we've got the actual camera. I am so excited. I'm like so conscious of the people that are around me. I love the design. Oh, this is so cool. Feels very sturdy. I was hoping it would be the same battery as the 1300 because I have an extra battery for that one. But I think this is, yeah, this is a different one. So this is LPE12. So I also picked up the cover for the camera. It's just the front jacket for this one. Whew, the guys that were sitting next to me are finally gone. And I believe... Anyway, this is the camera. I'm so excited. Maybe I'm supposed to screw it in. I am. Line with the white dot. Twist it in place. Okay, charge the battery. We've got... And it's off. But that's my new camera, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go home. Yeah, it's like literally not even starting now. Cannot wait to go home and charge it up. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. We're still on leave and it is about 9:48. I am really tired. I was editing till 1 o'clock last night and I woke up I think about 8:45 and I've been editing since. Haven't had my coffee, so I'm just about to make some coffee and get right back into editing because I want to get the video up by 6 p.m. tonight. So that's where we're at. It's one of those looks that just requires a lot of editing. And it's something really out of my comfort zone, so I think this vlog will go up after that. So if you haven't watched that, I'll link it up in the card, so be sure to check that out. But yeah, so I'm just about to make some coffee and begin my day. Sort of begin, but anyways, I don't know what we're doing today. I think we want to take Bruno to the dog park, and we were planning on going to Blue Mountains, but it's freezing over there, so I'm not sure if that's going to pan out. But if we do, then I'll, you know, take you guys along. But first, coffee. So I'm actually really lazy when it comes to cleaning my milk frother. So what I do is I actually warm the milk in the microwave for about a minute and then I put my coffee. So just a hack for those that are lazy like me. Alright, here we go. So good. It's just what I needed. All right, back to editing. We are going to Blue Mountains and you guys are coming along. So it is the next day. We actually ended up coming back from halfway from Blue Mountains because it was raining and it was freezing cold. And then today we were just at home. We were trying to get our gardening sorted. We had the gardener come over and we had a few plants that we wanted to sort of reorganize and replant. So he did a little bit of that. Our backyard is still a work in progress, so we're still currently working on that. But we're loving the fact that everything that we had in there is now slowly, well, all of it is out and all the useless stuff has been taken out. So we've got some fruit plants that we've planted, and for the front yard we're trying to get something cute going on there. So that's what consisted of today. We took Bruno to the dog park. Well, not a dog park, I think it's just a regular park. We want him to socialize with the other dogs, but there weren't any, so we just played a little bit of fetch with him to sort of wear him out. And then we went out for dinner at our friend's place. So it was really nice. Nice cozy evening, played some cards, and we just got back. It's about 11:45. And I think tomorrow we're going to Costco and Ikea. I think that's about it. But yeah, I was really down yesterday. I felt a little bit sick and tired, so I just rested right after coming back from Blue Mountains. Kind of took a nap for a little bit, and then had a nice cozy evening, cooked a little bit, and it's really nice to make some dal and have some rice with that. It feels like it's been forever since I cooked. Definitely really good to be cooking and stuff like that. So yeah, haven't had the chance to sort of play around with my new camera a lot, but still, you know, sort of playing around with the settings and everything like that. But yeah, that's what's up. So hubby has just taken Bruno out for a walk because we just got back. So they've just gone for a little bit of a stroll, and I am getting ready for bed. I'm so tired and I'm so ready to call it a night. But if we go shopping tomorrow, then I'll take you guys along. Good morning, guys. It's the following day. We ended up cutting short our Ikea trip because it was getting around the closing time, so it was almost 7 by the time we checked out, and they closed at 7 since it was a Thursday. So we've got a list, and I think I'm just going to place an online order to be able to pick it up a little bit later. But we ended up getting a couple of things from Ikea yesterday. So basically, I needed to get a new bin for my office. So I ended up picking this one up. This is just a standard Ikea bin. And I really needed something that was big enough to hold like makeup boxes and stuff. And then I also ended up picking up these fall plants. These, I think I want to redecorate what the background looks like when I do my videos, so I ended up picking these up and, you know, trying to incorporate a little bit of greenery in the background if I can. I could have done real plants, but nah, I have enough outside and I think that's enough to handle. But ended up getting some for ones. They're just low maintenance, I think. Ended up picking up a spatula because, you know, why not? And then a peeler. I really prefer these kind of peelers rather than the other ones. So hubby likes the other ones, so we've got a ton of those, but then I had to pick one of those up. Also got a garlic press. I really like these things. They crush the garlic so well. And then we ended up picking out a chair for my office. So basically that's what it is. It's this one right here. So I'm just about to build it because I'm about to start my work. So I thought I would actually quickly build this and then get on with my day. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see. But we're just about to break this open. Oh. So my brother's got the same chair and I helped him build it as well. So let's see. I'm hoping for this to be quick. Change of plans, I'm gonna do this at night. Every time, I don't know what's his fascination with boxes, but he apparently likes to lick them. Hey, stop. Yeah, it's not gonna happen right now. I need to start work and I need to have some coffee. Clearly my brain hasn't activated enough to build this right now, even though I thought I could. Not gonna happen.